Make sure you have your name and date and period on the test. Use the graphic organizer and your knowledge of social studies to answer question 1. Which title would best complete the chart above? A. Era of Revolution. B. European colonization. C. Industrialization. D. Early reform movements. Number 2. The early first European explorers who came to the New World were looking to B. Improve trade with Native American Indians. C. Explore the Great Lakes. Or D. Find a shorter water route to trade with Asia. Number 3. What did European rulers want to get from the New World? B. They wanted to learn more about Native American cultures. C. They wanted riches from the New World. D. They wanted a place to send their criminal population. Number 4. Which statement best summarizes the reason for the founding of the first 2 English colonies? A. Colonists in Jamestown expected riches while those at Plymouth desired to practice their own religion. B. Jamestown and Plymouth were established as safe places for imprisoned debtors and convicts. D. Colonists in both Jamestown and Plymouth traveled to America to convert the American Indians to Catholicism. Use the diagrams in your knowledge of social studies to answer questions 5 through 7. Number 5. Which region of the 13 colonies is represented by cluster A? B. Middle Atlantic. C. New England colonies. D. Southern colonies. Number 6. What were the main crops farmed by colonists in cluster C? A. Whale oil and silver. B. Potatoes and fish. C. Textiles and tea. Or D. Tobacco and rice. Number 7. The difference between the 3 clusters of colonies were mainly due to A. Geographic conditions. B. Relations with England. Or C. Political beliefs. Number 8. Which best explains why colonial settlers first went to Plymouth Colony, Maryland, and Pennsylvania? A. To secure freedom from religious persecution. B. To search for gold and silver. D. To convert Native American Indians to Christianity. 9. Which statement best describes the people who were allowed to vote in elections of representatives to colonial assemblies in British America? B. They were only men who owned property. C. They were only women who were able to read and write. Or D. They were any colonist, rich or poor, born in England. Number 10. Which best sums up the founding of the English colonies? B. The English colonies were founded to provide a new start to poor people throughout Europe. C. The English colonies were founded by business people who planned to make money by selling land to settlers. D. The English colonies were founded by people with many different goals, from making money to following their religion. Number 11. Which best describes an important effect of the First Great Awakening? A. Followers put suspected witches on trial. B. Slavery was abolished in the colonies. Or D. People became more religious and more involved in religion. Number 12. Which physical feature served as the western boundary for British colonies? Rocky Mountains, Appalachian Mountains, Mississippi River, Great Plains. Number 13. Which colony was first started for religious reasons as a home for the Quakers? A. Connecticut. B. Rhode Island. D. Pennsylvania. Number 14. Boston, Salem, and Plymouth were located in A. Virginia, B. Massachusetts, C. New York, D. Delaware. Number 15. Based on the map above, which of the following can be inferred? A. The New England colonies were better for farming than the southern colonies. B. The southern colonies were better for farming than the New England colonies. Or D. The geographic conditions were not good for farming in the southern colonies. Number 16. Which belief started the Great Awakening? A. Taxation was unfair. B. People lost their faith in religion. Or C. Success comes from making money. Number 17. Which statement explains the importance of the Virginia House of Burgesses? A. The Assembly served as a model for other legislatures. B. Colonists used the Assembly to overrule decisions of the royal governor. C. The Assembly sent delegates to Parliament in England to represent Virginia. Number 18. Use the excerpt and your knowledge of social studies to answer question 18. Number 18. According to John Locke, what are natural rights? Rights that people vote on, rights that people are born with, or D. Rights that come from the government. Use the outline below and your knowledge of social studies to answer 19. Which of the following would best complete the partial outline? A. Reasons for the growth of representative government in the American colonies. C. Reasons for the development of trade routes between Britain and its colonies. D. Reasons for the decline of individual liberty in the American colonies. Number 20. Use the picture to answer number 20. Which geographic land and temperature factors encouraged the development of the economic activity of slaves working on plantations shown in this picture? B. Cold weather, rocky soil, and abundant rainfall. C. Good, warm weather, rich soil, and a long growing season. D. Warm summers, cold winters, and little rainfall, bad soil.